Hello and welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I brought Bosch clear advantage wipers for my Tata Altroz, and here they are. This is one 16-inch wiper, and this is a 24-inch wiper for driver side, and this is passenger side. These are a bit expensive, but they are said to be good, and they are from Bosch company. So let's see, and let's install and check it out. So guys, this is the 24-inch wiper, and we have special locking mechanism here, and this is the 16-inch. Let's remove the older one. So guys, you have to press here down and pull it down. So put it like this. And you should lock this. We have to make this up, and here you have to pull it down, and this comes out. Place it like this, and you'll get a click sound, and you have to close this. So check it out, guys. This is how it cleans. It is smoother. So check out the wiper, guys. Now it is raining, and see how the wiper is performing.
Do wiper now.